Hello, my name is Mindy, and today we are going to show you how to install your replacement light frame. If you are uncomfortable replacing your light frame and glass, please contact a local contractor. You will need these materials and tools. The first step is to remove the door slab from the hinges using two people. You will need to remove the hinge pin starting at the bottom and working up to the top. Lay the door slab flat on a stable surface with the interior side up. To protect your door slab and glass, we recommend using a padded cover. You will need to remove the frame plugs from the light frame. Using an 1/8 inch drill bit, insert it into the frame plug and you will hear the drill bit hit the screw head. Gently pull on the drill to remove the plug. Remove all the screws from the light frame using a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the interior light frame, simply lift up on the frame and set aside. You are going to turn the door slab over to remove the exterior light frame from the glass insert. Notice the hinges are extending off the edge of the table. Using a utility knife, carefully slide between the light frame and the glass insert. Be sure to cut away from you. You can now remove the exterior light frame from the glass. If replacing only the exterior light frame, remove the glazing sealant. If replacing both the glass and the light frame, your replacement frame will come with glazing tape, so no removal of the sealant is necessary. Apply the glazing tape directly to the glass edge, making sure the glass edge is covered without overlapping or stretching. If the existing glazing tape is damaged, apply new glazing tape to the exterior light frame. Make sure to overlap at corners, but do not stretch. Use a roller tool to be sure the tape adheres to the light frame. Now attach the exterior light frame to the glass. Be sure to press firmly on the frame to ensure a good seal. With the door slab off the table, place the door light frame and glass on the end of the table with the exterior frame side down. Now, lift the door slab exterior side down and center the opening over the light. To attach the interior light frame, place the light frame so the screw bosses line up. Insert the screws and tighten down with a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. You are now ready to attach the door slab back onto the hinges using two people. Start at the top hinge and work your way to the bottom hinge. You are now ready to install the frame plugs into the light frame. Gently tap the frame plug with a tack hammer and wood blocking until the plug is flush with the light frame. We have now successfully replaced your Therma-Tru Lite-Frame and glass. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, or our website at www.thermatru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.